Welcome to this assembly guide for the Ether scooter, manufactured by Funride. Tools required: pliers, screwdriver. Box includes scooter's main frame, handlebar. Take the main body, loosen the bolts located on both sides. Gently pull the lock upward and extend the pipe to its full position. Securely fasten the bolts on both sides. Next, for the handlebar, loosen the bolt to position the handle. Align the handlebar properly in the center. Adjust the handlebar height according to preference. Then tighten the bolt firmly. Your Ether scooter is now fully assembled and ready for your little one's adventure.